way, more secured way. So can anybody tell when telephone was invented? 1876 by Graham Bell. So what he created? What was his experiment? Because means telephone instrument that time means what? What was it? Huh?
To communicate with other people.
No, so he started communicating or initially. So what he proved that sound energy can be converted into electricity and vice versa. Why I am telling this way, if you understand, we should, as engineer, we should understand the thing more logically. Right? Then telephone instrument, telegraph, or maybe many things we can do. But only thing is, he proved that. Then for that he made a gadget. And that his signal traveled a small distance. So he proved, and then we started doing all the revolution. Then, so this was 1876. So one landmark in the history was telephone, origin of telephone. Second was, another year was important, 1880. What was it? Just after a gap of 4 years. First generation of what? No, that was, no, exchange came much later. So, 1880 was Marconi, the invention of radio. Right? So, these two landmarks in the field of communications, that telephone and radio. And now what we are doing? What is mobile? Can anybody tell? What mobile we use, everyone is using. So, kind of?
Instrument which is used to share information.
Right.
Transmitting and receiving.
Transmitting and receiving. The telephone was also transmitting and receiving. Wireless. So, telephone and wireless. So, precisely this is nothing but, this is the merger of telephone and radio. So if somebody really analyze what is telephone, mobile phone is nothing but, it's a telephone and radio. Right? So this is a both-way radio. Earlier it was a radio. So like that evolution if we see, so how we have traveled from very, what pots we used to call? What is it? POTS or POT only? Pot. Plain old telephone. Right? So plain old telephone. Then telephone came. So telephone was working on wires. Right? How many wires? 2 wires. At your home also you must be having a landline phone. How many wires it works? 2 wires. So, and what are the element of our telephone instrument? No, major is element of our telephone instrument. Microphone and speaker, or microphone and receiver. Right? So there should be microphone and receiver. So one is transmitter, that is your microphone, and one is receiver. So how on 2 wires we communicate? Because transmitter and receiver, there are 2 elements. How the communication takes place? We are not going into exchange. If A has to talk to B, right? He has got one transmitter to talk. And like I am talking to you, mine is transmitter presently, yours is receiver. We don't need anything because sound can travel this much. We are talking, and ear is a receiver. So this way. So transmitter connects to your receiver, and your transmitter connects to my receiver. That way it goes on, reverse. Okay. So telephone is also A to B. So transmitter has to connect it with the receiver, and its transmitter to the other receiver. But how it is done on two wire? Have you ever thought of it? Because transmitter minimum needs two wires. Receiver needs two wires. Why two wires? One? No, transmitter means it will transmit only. Why transmitter needs two wires? One wire cannot work. What is the original telephone power? How you feed it with power? Because suppose you have sent the energy. Your hello has gone from A to B. From where this energy has come? You generated. But I have sent it to thousands of miles. So from where I brought this energy? We are telling, no, I have sent it with 20 watt, I have to send it with 5 watts, 10 watts. So from where it is coming? Because you know energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. So only it can be converted. So from where it came? It came from your batteries, or it came from your rectifiers. So you are converting the energy, chemical energy or electrical energy, you are converting into electrical energy, again converting into sound energy, back and all that. So these conversions are taken place. So mind it, always whatever application you give and all, that much energy we draw from the power source. Whether I convert into electrical energy, sound energy, or maybe picture, video energy, or whatever it is, because now we are manipulating. So minimum to transmit our power, we need minimum 2 wires. Right? So that's why transmitter is having minimum 2 wires to energize it. And what transmitter is doing? It is nothing, just converting your sound energy into electrical energy. And receiver is doing just reverse of it. So carbon granules, earlier one, so electrical signal is received, and accordingly the vibration, so our ear gets the same vibration and converted back to the sound signal. But can anybody tell how this 2 wire works? Because just now we have seen its transmitter 2 wire has to be connected to receiver of other 2 wires, other end, and transmitter of B end should come to the receiver of A end. So how you will achieve it? Your whole communication is taking place from your home, only 2 wires are coming. How we were doing it, or how it is performed? Have you seen the instrument? The earlier instrument and new instrument. What are the components of telephone instrument? Like you see, the one is dialer, one is a microphone, one is a receiver. What else inside? Okay, for ringing the telephone you need to have a ringer. But what is one more important component? Have you heard of hybrid? What is that? Huh? Four wire? 2 wire. And 2 wire into 4 wire. So why we use hybrid? Because we want to save 2 wires. Right? Otherwise we could have made it to 2 wires. 2 wire for transmission, 2 wire for reception. But we have saved lot of copper by using only 2 wires and put the hybrid at both the ends. And 2 wires coming The hybrid is a transformer. It converts into 2 wire, goes to transmitter, 2 wire to the receiver. So we eliminate 2 wire.